Hi, this is Kay. Welcome to the journey of Kay. Today, in this short clip, I'm gonna share with you several ways, 5 ways to say good luck to someone. As you know, in our daily conversation, we share things that we're gonna do. For example, your friends may say, I'm gonna take a test, or I'm gonna have a job interview, or I'm gonna do something special today, etc. Are you ready for the 5 tips? Expression number 1, wishing you are the best. Wishing you are the best. Wishing you are the best. Expression number 2, all the best to you. All the best to you. Expression number 3, I wish you luck. I wish you luck. Expression number 4, you will do great. You do great. Expression number 5, finger crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Well, these are the 5 expressions I always hear from my friends, my coworkers, my colleagues when we have the conversation. Practice these expressions and you do great. All the best to you. Well, this is it about the clip today. If you are first come to visit my channel, please consider subscribe to support me. And I will see you next clip. More tips on speaking. Thank you. Bye-bye.